to my bedroom tour. Wait a second. I didn't clean my room yet. It's so messy. Why don't I make a vlog on how to clean your room? As embarrassing as it may be, this is my bedroom. This is absolute chaos, which is why it makes it perfect to clean. First, as always, let's begin by preparing the things that we need for cleaning. We'll need a broom and dustpan or a vacuum cleaner, a rag, trash bag, and a box. The trash bag is for the trash you'll be gathering during the cleanup, and the box is for items that are in your room but don't exactly belong there. Speaking of don't belong, this is the perfect time to declutter the cabinet that has piled up with clothes you've either outgrown or don't exactly plan on wearing anymore. If you have a younger siblings or younger relatives, you can pass it on to them or simply donate them. You'll not only end up with more room space, but a good feeling of being able to share with others. Now, if you're having a hard time deciding on what to dispose, ask yourself Marie Kondo's question: does it spark joy? Keep only the things you love and learn to say thank you, let go of the rest. Put back everything where it belongs. Remember, there's a place for everything and everything has a place. Let's now take care of the accumulated dust in this room. Wipe the dust off windows and other surfaces. Take off the cobwebs hanging from the ceiling. Clean the fan. You can also vacuum the top of your mattress to get rid of bed bugs and dust. And don't forget about the floor. Now, it's time to finally take care of fixing the most important thing in your bedroom, the bed. Change the sheets, fold the blanket, and nicely arrange the pillows. And now I'm ready for my bedroom tour. Come on in. This is so much better. This is so much better. I hope you were able to learn something from this video, and I hope you learned some tips and tricks from this vlog. Until next vlog, this is Zaki signing out. Bye!